Did you know that you could get paid for reading emails? Well, I bet you didn't know that you could actually get money for reading emails. This is absolutely free. You don't have to pay any money to do this. You can do this on your phone, your computer. So you don't have to come with this excuse to tell me that, oh, I don't have a good phone, I don't have a good computer. No, you can do this with your average phone or your average computer. Now, this is absolutely free. You don't have to worry about signing up and paying. There are no registration costs. This is absolutely free. Now, I'm sure you've been receiving emails in your inbox for many years now, but you never got paid to receive emails or to read emails. You have maybe 5,000 or 6,000 emails in your inbox, but you don't get paid. Today, I'm going to show you how you get paid for actually receiving emails and reading emails. So, all you need to do is watch this video all the way to the end. Don't skip any part. I'm going to show you everything you need to know so you can actually make this money. Before everything, please just subscribe to the AD Money channel right now. It's absolutely free. That red button over there, that subscribe button, please just click it right now. Click the subscribe button, subscribe to AD Money channel, and turn on all post notifications so that anytime I have a new video, you'll be able to watch it immediately. So, the website we're going to be looking at today is called Vindale. It's vindale.com. Vindale Research. As you can see over here, they're going to say get paid to take surveys online. Now, don't worry, I'm going to explain to you what this actually means. So just make sure you keep watching. When you scroll down, you're going to see easy online surveys, hundreds of paid surveys daily added daily, and millions paid. So $7,939,326. That is a lot of money. This figure here is a lot of money that they've already paid to the members, and they'll pay you via PayPal. So you need to become a member to take part in this opportunity. Now, please know that it's available in your country. It doesn't matter where you're from, Europe, America, Australia, Asia, South America, it doesn't matter. You have no excuse why you shouldn't do this. It's an easy opportunity. You can do this from home, in the car, in the toilet, or wherever you are. So over here, these are the categories of surveys that they're going to be giving you. So there's categories of cars and trucks, politics and current events, sports, new technology, popular restaurants, home improvement, health and beauty, shopping and fashion, travel and leisure. So, from my experience, what you want to focus on is health and beauty and shopping and fashion. These are the two departments that actually pay the most money. And for example, if you choose something like sport, they're going to provide you with a survey into your email, which you will do, but they will not pay you much. They'll pay you money, but it's not as much as health and beauty and shopping and fashion. These are the two departments I would like you to focus on. Now, before anything, you would actually need an account. So you actually just want to click sign up over here. So when you click on sign up, you're going to come onto this sign up page. As you can see over here, there's a survey on healthcare, pharmaceutical survey, and they pay $25. $25 for one survey. That's a lot of money. Now, to sign up, it's free. Put in your email address, your first name, last name, street address, your apartment or your suite, zip code, country, your date of birth, your gender, ethnicity, create a password, and then continue. So once you have your account, basically, you just want to choose a department of surveys you would like them to send to your email. So you want to choose, for example, let's do health and beauty. So I'm going to show you an example of the kind of surveys they're going to provide to you for you to make money. So over here, they've provided a certain survey that has to do with health. So these are the kinds of questions they're going to be asking you. Choose one option for each question item. In general, would you say your health is? Then you'll choose whether it's excellent, very good, good, fair, poor. Second question, compared to 1 year ago, how would you rate your health in general now? Much better now than 1 year ago, somewhat better now than 1 year ago, about the same, somewhat worse than 1 year ago, much worse than 1 year ago. So you want to choose whichever is convenient. Then there's a department over here. The following items are about activities you might do during the typical day. Does your health now limit you in these activities? If so, how much? So yes, limited a lot. Yes, limited a little. No, not limited at all. So the question is, vigorous activities such as running, lifting heavy objects, participating in strenuous sports. You want to choose yes, limited a lot, yes, limited a little, no, not limited at all. This question, moderate activities such as moving a table, pushing a vacuum cleaner, bowling, or playing golf. You want to tick one of these. Lifting or carrying groceries. You want to click one of these. Climbing several flights of stairs. You choose one of these. Walking several blocks. You choose one of these. Walking one block. You choose. Bathing or dressing yourself. Maybe yes, limited a lot. No, not limited at all, depending on you as a personal, you and you as an individual, of course. So these are the kind of questions they're going to be providing to you. It's very simple. It's not questions that you need to do a lot of research. No, they just want actually to get information out of people so that they can do whatever they want with the information. And the questions are absolutely easy. These are questions that you can fill in within 5 minutes or 10 minutes. You can do this in your car, in the toilet, whilst you running the bath water, in the kitchen. You can use your phone to do this, and it's absolutely free. So you can choose as many emails as you want to do, whether you want to do 2 a day or 3 a day or just 1 a day. So just focus on the health department. For example, here's another question. How much bodily pain have you had during the past 4 weeks? None, very mild, mild, moderate, severe, very severe. During the past 4 weeks, how much did pain interfere with your normal work, including both work outside the home and housework? Not at all, a little bit, moderately, quite a bit, extremely. So these are very easy questions. So it's fun as well to do, and you get paid for it. Some of the departments, for example, something like sports, they're not going to pay you much. It's just a little bit of money. But if you want to make the big money, if you are in this for the money, you want to focus on this and shopping and fashion. Health and beauty and shopping and fashion. Shopping and fashion is really great as well because this is what people are really interested in now. The top brands like Nike, Gucci, Louis Vuitton, those big brands. The whole world is now following the trend when it comes to brands. So different companies actually want research done. They want the data, surveys to be filled. They want the opinion of people. So if you can provide your opinion concerning certain questions, they will actually pay you to do this. So this is an opportunity I want to share with you today. You can make a lot of money from this, and it's very easy to do. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and just know that it's free. It's free, and you don't have to worry because you are maybe coming from Africa or maybe you're in Asia, or no, there's no limitations, none at all. You can do this everywhere. So thank you so much for watching. Just make sure that you sign up, which is very easy to do. Sign up and start making the money. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to the AD Money channel. Turn on all post notifications so that you don't miss any new video on how you can make more money online. And remember, the website is vindale.com, and this is at Vindale Research, vindale.com. Thank you so much. Cheers.